That's where the extension is. Go after it and just slowly start etching it out. Sly layering. Hey guys, all right, so here's those extensions. Just too long, let me show you. And I really am running late, so I can't do like a long one. It's just gonna be pretty quick, just so I can make them look a little bit better for the day. All right, so you got your comb, big comb. You start to comb down a piece, and you have to comb it like where it's gonna live. Okay, here we go. I see it right there. That's where the extension is. Go after it and just slowly start etching it out. Sly layering. It'll start to make it look better. Okay, now I just gotta take the next piece. I'm framing it to my face, checking it. Look just a little right here. Yep. And now I'm gonna go to the next piece. And you gotta do it on an angle. Grab that next piece. Keep going down, down, down. Slide layer. I mean, just that alone makes it just look so much better. You see that? See how bad this is? Such a drop off. Makes a big difference. And basically, I'll take these two halves, and this half will go on this side, and this half will go on this side, and I'll just do a piece at a time till I have the full angle. I don't have time to layer it, but I will, but not today. But this will make a big difference. Okay, now, and it will keep my hair not such a straight ledge in the back. And I'm gonna wear it curly. You know, I'll just put some nice gel in there. Yeah, it's gonna look so much better. You can see the difference already. You want it to look real if you have extensions in. You don't want it to look like you got extensions in. Okay, that's the last piece. So you do a little bit more. Oh my gosh, that's so much better. Look at the difference. So much better. Now I'll take this piece. I'm gonna just come right to this piece first, a little tiny piece first. I need to get this. And you look at it, and you just go down, 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 okay? And you think that you're cutting them all, but you're not. You're just angling them because you gotta blend it with your own hair. And I like a nice frame around my face. Okay. I'm gonna use a different part of the razor now, because it'll be sharper. Okay. Oh yeah, there it goes. Yay. Oh my gosh. I love it so much more. I can breathe. I feel like I'm not gonna look like Rapunzel. Just keep going. Okay, now I gotta do a little bit more. Remember, I'm always taking on that angle. So this way, you have that beautiful face frame. It's almost there. I gotta do a little more. Okay. Get that big piece off. When you do it with a razor, it makes it look much more natural. It's almost there. Yeah. Just that little bit more right here and we're good. And then I'll show you probably tomorrow, the next day, when I wash it to cut the layers in it. Because this is gonna be my hair for my daughter's wedding. So I wanna make it look really, really good. Okay, just a little bit more. And this side's a lot thicker. So I can come in there this way too. Get some out. A little more. But I want to take it this way. I'm turning my head. I got to take it this way so I don't cut it too short. And I want to blend it and match it to the other side. And you just slide layer it. And extensions really have a soft bottom most of the time. They're not super thick. I mean, yeah, on the end, they usually are very natural. Look how much better that looks. So now, I'm gonna take my favorite product, Davines. This is the best, and it's curl cream. Davines has such this nice paper, but I'm gonna rip it because I need to go. I wanna show you. And they have inside how to use it. If you rip it nicely, but I know how to use it. So I'm gonna take this, put it on my whole head, but mostly my extensions. And I used the size of a quarter. I'm really getting it in there. I'm gonna use a little bit on my top, but I am gonna put something else on my top too. And I'm just gonna blow dry my top only and leave all the rest. Nice waves. Okay, so that's that side. Now, I'm gonna use about that much for the other side. Get it in there, get it in there, get it in there. I'm really getting it in there. I want the hair to be curly. I want it to have a really nice wave to it. And I'm gonna just use a little bit more for the back. And I'm gonna use that for the next few days because it will stay curly. And then I use Formula 18 to revitalize that product. Okay. And then I will take, I want volume body on my top because I want this top to be blow dried out and it will look really nice. And the curl cream will be great for all the rest of it. And I will take a towel and scrunch it and do it a little bit more, just so you know, because I like it curly. And I'll show you when it's done. This is Coach Kimmy. Hope you like these tips and tricks.